that I did an Ipsy mystery bag, it went surprisingly well. So I'm hoping that we have just as much good luck today, you guys. So fingers crossed, we're gonna open up a mystery bag from Ipsy today, and hopefully it's gonna be just as good. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We are going to be taking a look at an Ipsy mystery bag. Now this bag is called Love Your Texture. And honestly, I think I missed it originally because I think it launched in February. But then when I was on the Ipsy shop, I was looking through at some items, which, okay, first off, did you notice that the Ipsy store has been like rebranded? They've been changing the website a little bit, and the store looks really nice. Like, it looks expensive. And then they've got these new collections and new products, and I'm like, wow, I can tell there are new products they've just added in, and the photos have kind of a different vibe. I don't know. There's just like a glow up happening over at Ipsy. But while I was checking out that glow up, I noticed this mystery bag, and it mentioned that this bag was created to celebrate Black History Month, and I was like, oh, I must have missed this originally. So I bought it, it's finally here, and now we're gonna open it up. So this is our mystery bag. This is a limited edition bag that Ipsy did create. They partnered up with a company to create this design, and I read online that it's inspired of black hair, but then you're getting all of these heart shapes. I think it's super cute. I love that you actually get kind of that sunrise effect in there as well. So really pretty. Then you get this gorgeous green heart up here. I even love this pop of purple. And then on the reverse side here of the heart, you actually get the Ipsy logo. So it's a really cute bag. It goes all the way around it. It's silky soft. I mean, it feels like satin, so it's very smooth. I do think the print is cute. I love it. I mean, there's nothing about this bag I don't like. So I will post a link down below if you want to purchase this bag. It retails for $16. There is a $2 handling fee per order. So what I typically do is I will just buy multiple mystery bags and then I just split the difference with that. But then you will pay sales tax, but there's no shipping fee on it. So all in all, we're going to say that this bag cost me $18 for today's review. And then we'll see if it's worth it for that price point. First item that I have in here today is coming from Hey Honey. This is the body lotion that features honey and shea butters inside of it. 30 ml or 1 ounce. This is considered a deluxe sample size. So you get a full ounce of product. This is a body butter cream that will soften and replenish moisture back to your skin. Now this brand is decent. I have tried many of their products before and I do like them. I think I forgot to clarify that this is a sample mystery bag. So I like when I get a lot of product because then I can really use it. So even though that is considered, you know, a deluxe sample, I feel like it's more generous than what I usually see with these bags. I think this is Tula. Oh no, it's Brioi. But look at the blue. Doesn't that look like Tula skincare? This is the Brioi Style and Treat. And it is going to be an air dry cream, so it's for your hair. It's a leave-in soft styling cream to minimize frizz, but it's also going to give you an air dry finish. Okie dokie. So Brioi is a great brand. I actually love their leave-in conditioner. There's like it's not a mist, it's a spritzer, and you spray it on your hair and it cuts down on frizz. Works really well. So that's a product I rebuy all the time. But really great hair care brand. This one is considered a very lightweight styling cream. I think they have another one that's actually more heavy duty. Look at this pop of purple in here too. Isn't that cute? I mean, seriously, this is a really cute bag. Next item is Sure Thing. Okay, this is the Vitamin C Cleanser from Elizabeth Mott. This will remove makeup and cleanse your skin, but it's also got vitamin C inside of it, so it should give you a brightening effect. That would be the desired result here with this. So it mentions that, oh, there's actually a coupon code on the reverse side. So definitely a sample. It says sample, not for resale. And it mentions that you could get 50% off of your first purchase if you bought something before August of 2024. So you know what's weird about that? Here's my thing. I could be reading into this. So I'm just going to say this is, could be wrong. But usually when you get coupon codes from brands and subscription boxes, you have months to use it, if not a year or more to use that code. And they do that so you've got time. So for this to expire in August of 2024, I mean, that's well over 6 months ago. I'm curious how long Ipsy has had this product for. So this is what it looks like. And clearly the brand made it just for Ipsy because they're not going to sell this on their website and they're not going to, sell this in stores or anything. We have 15 ml or half an ounce here. So I do feel like it's enough to try it. Honestly, they should just put manufacturing dates on all the beauty products. And then it would eliminate all the questions, all the what ifs. And then the consumer could decide what works for them, if they're okay with it or not. You know what I mean? I just wish that was the standard, that all beauty products had a manufacturing date on them. And not just a batch code, because I know that'll be the next thing. Somebody's going to go, well, use the batch codes. Those are not accurate. They're very flawed because they reuse batch codes. So you could be getting a batch code for a different product and it's all kind of mixed up. But if there was an actual date, a manufacturing date printed, that would be accurate. Okay, next item. Now I'll get off my soapbox. We have JLo Beauty. This is the serum from her line. So this serum will help to tighten and brighten the skin. I love the serum that she has, but I'm not a huge fan of the other products in her skincare lineup. But I do think this one is really good. We only have 5 ml of product, so it is an itty bitty guy. I mean, it's super tiny. But I did see results with this actually brightening my skin up. So I liked it a lot, but the cleanser was not for me. I tried a few things from her line and the moisturizer was okay, but I felt like the serum was her best product. But now I'm not seeing it. And it's just kind of a brand that I think is going to be forgotten down the road, maybe. We also have a highlighter in here from Ciate London. This one is the Glow 2 highlighter. So it is cruelty free and we have 2.5 grams here. The shade is Celestial and I'll pull this one out and we'll look at it. I actually really like these pans because they have cute little stars all over them. Isn't it cute? So I love that they add a little bit of interest to it. It's a very pretty shade. This one is definitely gold, but it's got the pink undertone. So it's like a rose gold finish. I'll do a swatch with this so you can kind of see. I forgot I did that in another video. Whoops, I forgot to take that off. But if you have any red undertones with your skin, this will blend in really well. So that way you get kind of that golden glow, but it's still gonna match that kind of pinkish reddish tone you might have. Right now, my undertone is just white. I am just very pale white. The last item that we have in here today is an eye pencil. Is this full size? I kind of think this is a full size product. So it's a gel eye pencil in the shade black, but of course they don't say black, they just call it Motor, but it is a black eyeliner and it's from Lovecraft Beauty. But doesn't this look like full size? I feel like it is. So this is what it looks like here. The size on here is 1.21 grams. So if you want to look it up, you definitely can. But I would venture to guess that this is a full-size product. Well, that's cool. I mean, also, way to end on a bang. We get a full-size product in here. So that is everything inside of the... Oh, what was the texture? Love My Texture? Is it Love My Texture? Love Your Texture. That's the name of this bag. So that is everything for the Love Your Texture mystery bag. I actually kind of like this bag because when I go back through and I look at it, there is a body butter in here that I like. Like I said, I'm average with it, but I do like it. I do think the Brioi product I will absolutely use. I love that product. The highlighter, super cute. The JLo serum, of all of the products from the JLo line, that is the one and only that I actually like. So there's another win. Eyeliner, I will always use eyeliner. I mean, it's a black eyeliner. That's a given. And then there's a facial cleanser in here, which again, I think is fairly universal. I can definitely use that as well. So all in all, this is actually a very useful bag for me. I don't think there's anything in here that's, super exciting. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I got this. I am surprised at the full-size product, but you know what I mean? I don't feel like it's super exciting, but it is useful. I think the most exciting thing we have is the bag. I mean, there's so much color going on with this and it's super cute. So I do think this is a good bag all in all. Now, is it worth $18 to purchase this? You guys, it's so tough anymore because beauty is on the rise. And as much as I hate to say it, samples are no longer free. And I think we're past even the point of them being $1 or $2. Like, I just went into Sephora and I could not believe that I'm seeing small little samples like this and they're charging $8 anymore for it. So yes, I do think this is worth the $18 for it. A few years ago, I would have never said that. But I just think inflation and prices going up, like realistically, if we look at the beauty world, samples are not cheap anymore. So yes, I do think this is worth the $18. Not because I would want to put it at that, but because unfortunately the market is dictating that. But let's be clear, I don't think it's worth much more than that. I really do think like that is already pushing it. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!